Hi everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am testing a new fragrance. This is called Lemon Pound Cake and it smells delicious. I guess the official fragrance is kind of lemon peel and juicy lemon. It's got butter, sugar, vanilla. Really smells like literally lemon pound cake. Smells really good. And it behaved fantastic, which is always a bonus. For this fragrance, I decided to obviously do a yellow color and then just pour off some of it to be white, just so we can see if there's any discoloration. There is a little bit of vanillin in it, so it is going to discolor a little bit, but not too bad. And as you can see, fragrance behaves very well. When I was making this fragrance, I was testing about 20 other fragrances, and for some reason they were all super slow to trace. I had to just keep blending and blending, because in a 2-pound mold, if it's not thick enough, it's almost too runny, and then it kind of comes off at the top. When I typically make a 5-pound batch, if it's too runny, it's okay. It kind of stays in the mold, and you're good to go. But usually with my 2-pound test batches, it's usually got a little bit of extra batter. So if it is not a little bit thicker, it can kind of be a pain to work with at the end. But I used the goldenrod mica from BeScented and then the TD, obviously. Alright, and then I'm going to speed up the rest of this video. You can see it was super slow to trace. And it's kind of my signature chopstick swirl, so I will be bringing you guys back for the cut. Alright, and we're obviously back for the cut, and smells amazing. It's only about 24 hours old, and you can still smell the fragrance. And you can see the white did not really discolor yet at this point, so I'm thinking that it may not be too bad of discoloration. I was testing a lot of really heavy vanilla fragrances, and they were obviously brown right at the bat. So this one again smells really nice, behaves fantastic. This is going to be a really good seller, I think, in candles and melts as well as soap. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you on the next video.